In this video, I will show you how to effortlessly update your HubSpot CRM records using the power of Claude. Managing customer data can often feel like a tedious chore, but by using artificial intelligence, you can automate these updates with simple natural language commands. First, you need to ensure that your HubSpot account is connected to Claude so the AI has permission to view and modify your records. Once that is set up, you can perform updates by typing a specific request directly into the chat interface. For the best results, you should use a clear and structured format. Start by asking Claude to look into your HubSpot account and identify the specific deal or company record you want to change, such as Acme Corp Enterprise. After you have specified the target record, list the exact updates you need. For example, you might ask Claude to change the deal stage to proposal sent and update the amount column to $15,000. It is also helpful to add a brief note for your team, such as mentioning that the client requested an updated pricing structure and the proposal was delivered via email. By providing these details in a single prompt, Claude can process all the changes at once without you ever needing to navigate through multiple menus in the HubSpot dashboard. Once you send the command, always wait for the AI to confirm that the changes have been successfully saved to your CRM. This method saves you significant time and ensures your data remains accurate and up to date with minimal effort.